Long live the Empire.
Long live the Empire!
Perhaps it is time for a change. Now, more than ever, building a strong galaxy requires protection and security.
Come on, George. There he is. There he is. Come on, get him. Get some of these mobs. Anyway, I just want to show y'all George. Come on, get some more mobs. I pretty much turned his cage into a swamp. You got the dry lands over here, and then you got the swamp on this side. It took some time. Anyway, just want to holler at y'all. Reggie Empire out. Holler at y'all. Whoop.